Ahead of UFC 311, lightweight champion Islam Makhachev was seen in a promotional collaboration with popular streamer Adin Ross, and the results were both hilarious and entertaining. In a funny video, Adin Ross took a brutal body shot from Makhachev, showcasing just how powerful the Dagestani fighter truly is. Not stopping there, Ross attempted to lock in a choke on the UFC champion. However, in classic Makhachev style, the champ turned the tables, trapping Ross's leg and forcing the streamer to tap out in dramatic fashion. The light-hearted moment comes as Islam Makhachev prepares to defend his title against Arman Tsarukyan at UFC 311. Tsarukyan is in the best shape of his life, with fans and analysts noting that he looks sharper and more physically prepared than ever. Many are already speculating whether this version of Tsarukyan could pose a significant challenge to Makhachev's dominance.
Oh my God!
This is a special thing.
It's just the air knocked out of me.
What happened?
Dude!
What?
How are your legs so strong?
Fakt o to nevnímat. Takhle to mám prostě hozený do toho japonského.
Jiri Prochazka was seen training under a waterfall and at a karate dojo. Prochazka believes in traditional martial arts and trains in unconventional ways. He is fighting at UFC 311 against Jamahal Hill.
Si ho tam chtěl dovízt potkat.